हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल CIL एग्जाम क्यूज वीडियो। आज की इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम पर्सनल के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। The first Factories Act was enacted in option 1 1881, option 2 1895, option 3 1897 and option 4 1885. And the correct answer is option 1, 1881. Who is an adult as per Factories Act 1948? Option 1, who has completed 18 years of age. Option 2, who is less than 18 years. Option 3, who is more than 14 years. And option 4, who is more than 15 years. And the correct answer is option 1, who has completed 18 years of age. A person who has ultimate control over the affairs of the factory under Factories Act 1948 is called as option 1 occupier, option 2 manager, option 3 chairman and option 4 managing director. And the correct answer is option 1 occupier. The space for every worker employed in the factory after the commencement of Factories Act 1948 should be cube meters. Option 1 9.9, option 2 10.2, option 3 14.2 and option 4 13.2. And the correct answer is option 3 14.2. The provision for cooling weather during hot weather should be made by the organization if it does employs or more employees. Option 1 200, option 2 250, option 3 300 and option 4 350. And the correct answer is option 2 250. Who is an adolescent as per Factories Act 1948? Option 1, who has completed 17 years of age. Option 2, who is less than 18 years. Option 3, who has completed 15 years but less than 18 years. And option 4, none of these. And the correct answer is option 3, who has completed 15 years but less than 18 years. Which one of the following is not a welfare provision under Factories Act 1948? Option 1 canteen, option 2 crèche, option 3 first aids and option 4 drinking water. And the correct answer is option 4 drinking water. First aids boxes is to be provided for of dash persons. Option 1 125, option 2 135, option 3 150 and option 4 160. And the correct answer is option 3 150. Safety officers are to be appointed if organization is engaging dash or more employees. Option 1 1000, option 2 2000, option 3 500 and option 4 750. And the correct answer is option 1 1000. Canteen is to be provided if engaging employees more than dash persons. Option 1 250, option 2 230, option 3 300 and option 4 275. And the correct answer is option 1 250. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।